Oh, I didn't see you there. Today at HVK Garage, we're gonna be working on Nick's 2015 Ford Focus ST, putting on some brand new side skirt extensions. So for today, we're working on a man Nick's ST today, putting on some side skirt extensions. We got ourselves some Vicrez, Vice Res.
Vicrez sounds good.
So now, to get the perfect length for these side skirts, you want to use a very simple formula. Here we have C equals MC squared times pi to the cubed, oh, that's not cubed, cubed. Is that cubed?
3 is cubed.
All right, well, I tried. Just kidding. We're just gonna put these bad boys up, mark them, and cut them. What you want with these side skirts is you want them butted up perfectly to the back wheel well. And in order to do that, what we're going to do is, Nick, you want to line up the front? You happy?
Yeah. Good, yeah.
Just marking some chalk.
So 2 inches. 2 inches. So now we're on the front here. Just gonna mark 2 inches off the front. That looks about right. And I'm gonna use my little winglets here, but I'm gonna use it as a straight edge right now. And that's where we'll cut.
Remember, kids, always wear protection.
I can't find my own protection, so today I'm wearing boot protection. That's not straight. Not really much at all, but that's okay.
So they gave us 11 self-tapping screws.
11.
5 for the driver's side and 6 for the passenger side because we care about our passengers. I don't know.
So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna line this back side up. I'm gonna drill into there to make sure that that's flush. And then I'm just gonna pivot this around and then make it drill. I'm gonna drill all the way at the front then, and then drill the rest of the middle.
Failure. 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 Failure.
Well, Nick, I love it.
Awesome.
It totally changes the look of the car. I love the aggressive look on the side now.
I like it a lot actually too. It like kind of lines up with the black. It kind of adds a little bit more of a shape to it. Yeah, if that makes any sense at all. I know.
No, I hear you.
Yeah.
I hear you.
I can't wait because I do plan on putting a front lip on it too. It's the same brand, so it'll really complete the look once I put that on there. That'll be a little bit more down the line once I have a little bit more money saved up, but I'm definitely going to be quick for that too. Otherwise, I love it.
That will be another video for you guys to sure. Oh man, it looks beautiful. I can't wait to cruise with this thing in the spring.
Yeah, me too.
Looking forward to it. And we get to show it off at all the car meets and stuff. People are gonna love it. Thanks again, guys, for watching. It means the world, your support that you're showing us. Please show us some love on Instagram and Snapchat.
Are you really gonna let the like button say that about your mom, dude? Punch him in the face so he knows what's going on.
Today at HVK Garage, me and the boys. Hey, I don't want to say that. I don't want to say that. Oh. Stop dancing back there! On today's episode of HVK Garage, us and the boys getting some dirty antics.